Good morning. It is Thursday, December 17th. It's our last day together before the holidays. So we're going to be doing a little bit of math today. We're not going to do our full math section because I hope you're coming to do our drive-by at school, and I don't want to give you a lot of work. But we're also going to be using our Unifix cubes. So you need both sets of your Unifix cubes. I have green and blue, and you will need your pencil and your eraser to do math today. We're going to be working on lesson 6A, so make sure you have lesson 6A. Take your Unifix cubes apart so that they're all disconnected. And I want you to put both one color in one pile and one in another. We're going to be using the Unifix cubes to help us see the equations today. So I'd rather use these and do fewer problems on our sheet than just do the sheets. So today, we're back with our friend Daniel. And we're starting on 6A, and it says that Daniel's teacher is making some name tags for the children. I have to do that sometimes for you all. And it says she makes 3 name tags for boys. She makes 2 more for girls. All right, so this is what I want you to do. Your Unifix cubes may not be the same color as mine because we have so many different, everybody has different colors. I want you to choose one color for the boys and one for the girls. I'm going to choose green for the boys, and it said that she made 3. So I'm going to connect 3 Unifix cubes. So I want you to do this. You see how I have 3? All right, then it said that she made 2 more for the boys. Go to your other color and connect 2 more. We can see the equation now. I have 3 Unifix cubes to represent the boys and 2 to represent the 2 additional girls, okay? So I got 3 and 2. I'm going to go on my sheet, get your pencil, and we're going to first do the boys. How many boys' names tags did she do? She did 3. 1, 2, 3, and then she did 2 for the girls. All right, we can see that, 3 and 2. We're going to use our Unifix cubes to solve. So we're going to come down here and write our equation. We have 3. Then we added 2 more, and we want to know what our whole is. Can you see my equation there? 3 plus 2 equals. How are we going to find out? We're going to count left to right across the Unifix cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to write number 5 up here. So we can literally see 3 and 2 equals 5. All right, take your Unifix cubes apart. We're going to flip over to the back. Like I said, we're doing this a little bit differently than what they're doing there. We're going to move down here to this equation. I want you to ignore what's going on over here. We're going to be using our Unifix cubes. All right, so what it says is that Daniel put 2 crayons together, and then he added 4 more. So 2 and 4. So I'm going to do his first group, I'm going to do 2 green to start with. So you choose your color, and I want you to put 2 Unifix cubes together. Now I want you to go in the other color, and how many more did he add? He added 4 more of a different color. So he had 2 of one color, and he's adding 4 more of another. I want you to work left to right. I am working so that this is left to right for you. So he had 2, and then he added 4 more. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to trace their equation. 2 plus 4 equals, I want to know how many that equals. I'm counting left to right. So you see my 2 are first. So I'm going to hold it so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it equals 6. Okay? All right, now we're going to pull that sheet off and move to the next one. Take your Unifix cubes apart. We're just going to be doing the front of this page because I want you to use your Unifix cubes to solve. All right, let's read the first problem. It says George put some blue paint. We're not even going to do color because that'll confuse you. It says George put 4 paint jars and then 3 red paint jars in the art room. All right, so he put 4 and then 3. Okay, so I'm going to let my blue be the first color this time. He put 4. I'm going to say put 4 blue. You'll have different color. Whoops, those don't stick. Hold on. There we go. Got 4 blue. And then he added 3 more, so I'm going to put 3 of another color. So you see here's 4 of my first color. Here comes my second color. How many? 3. Okay, I've got 4 and I've got 3. I'm going to come up here and write my equation. Can you see where I'm writing? I'm writing 4 plus 3 equals. Everybody get there. I've got 4 of one color and 3 of another. How am I going to figure out what my whole is? Right, we're going to count, and we're going to count left to right. So let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Make sure you touch each Unifix cube as you say a number. Take them apart. Move to the next one. All right, our next problem is number 3. And number 3 says Maya has some pencils. She has 3 pencils. She adds 2 additional pencils. How many are there in all? She has 3 and then she has 2. So I'm going to do my 3. You choose your color and do your Unifix cubes. There are her 3 pencils. Because she said she had 3 pencils and then she added 2 more of a different color. I'm going to add 2 more. 3 and 2. Can you see working left to right that I have 3 and 2, right? So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to write 3 plus 2 equals, I've got part, and now I need to know what my whole is. So how do I do it? I count all of them left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I write number 5 up here. 3 plus 2. If I did it that way, would that have been right? No, because that's 2 plus 3. We're reading left to right. So it needs to read like this. So it reads 3 plus 2. Everybody got it? All right, now take them apart. Coming down here to number 4. All right, and number 4, it says Rex has 1 piece of paper and he adds 8 more of another color. So I'm going to let my first color be blue. So this is his 1 sheet of paper. He's adding 8 more. So count as you add these. You're going to use the other color to represent the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 1, and then I have 8. Part, my 2 parts. 1 and 8. So I'm going to come write my equation. I have 1 plus 8 equals, I need to know what my whole is. How am I going to know? I'm going to count all of them. And I'm going to say a number as I touch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to come over here and write 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. All right, the last equation we're going to do for today is number 5. Let's see, 5 says Reagan has 4 blocks and she adds 4 more. How many does she have in all? All right, I'm going to use green for my first set. So she has 4 blocks. So get 4 of one color. You got your 4 of one color? Then she added 4 more. It's the same amount, right? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how they're equal. You can literally see that these are equal. I'll show you another way we can tell they're equal. They're equal. 4 and 4. All right, so we have 4 plus 4. So we're going to come up here and write our equation. 4 plus 4 equals. Let's see what 4 plus 4 equals. How are we going to know? This is one part. This is the part we want the whole, so we're going to count from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to write number 8. Okay, that is all the math we're going to do today since we're using Unifix cubes. We'll be doing this in class all the time, and I can't wait to get back in person so we can use our manipulatives to write math equations. All right, work on your addition over the holidays, and I will see you again in January. Thank you.